When displaying your flag outdoors, durability and stability are key to withstanding harsh conditions. The best flagpole for high winds provides exceptional strength, secure fittings, and reliable materials, ensuring your flag remains proudly flying even during strong gusts and unpredictable weather. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. FFILY High Wind Flagpole. The FFILY High Wind Flagpole is built for homeowners who want strength, durability, and a striking look in their yard display. Crafted from precision 6061 T6 aluminum, this flagpole boasts twice the rigidity of common models, gives it stability that can withstand harsh outdoor conditions. Not only is it engineered for strength, but its sleek black finish also adds a timeless and elegant touch, making it suitable for residential, commercial, or outdoor installations. Another standout feature is its ability to fly 2 flags, offering a more patriotic and dynamic display. FFILY also focuses on user convenience by including a 6-section design for easy storage and straightforward installation, aided by detailed instructions. The complete package provides everything needed: a black ball ornament, durable rope, pulley truck, clips, gloves, a PVC sleeve, and even an American flag. This means you won't need to purchase extra accessories. Altogether, the FFILY High Wind Flagpole combines superior craftsmanship, weather resistance, and thoughtful inclusions, making it a fantastic choice for anyone seeking a dependable and visually appealing flagpole to proudly display their patriotism in any climate. Number 2. Service High Wind Flagpole. The Service High Wind Flagpole stands out as a premium option, designed by a veteran-owned USA-based company that puts quality and service first. Engineered with American weather in mind, this telescoping flagpole has been wind-tested to withstand gusts up to 100 mph, making it reliable even in harsh regions such as Tornado Alley or the Rocky Mountains. Built from 11-gauge aluminum with a secure 2 7/8-inch diameter design, it offers unmatched strength and a tapered structure that ensures a straight and resilient display. The corrosion and rust-resistant finish, achieved through an electrolysis plated process, provides up to 10 years of protection while also enhancing the overall appearance. The telescoping system allows quick installation and smooth operation, making it both sturdy and user-friendly. Beyond functionality, Service First adds a meaningful patriotic touch by including a themed plaque engraved with "Honoring Those That Have Served," making this not just a flagpole, but a tribute to service and sacrifice. With full installation support, a helpful mobile app, and responsive customer care, buyers are assured of excellent service alongside the product. This flagpole is an ideal choice for those who want professional-grade durability, ease of use, and a strong symbol of American pride that will last for years. Number 3. Bknius 100 mph High Wind Flagpole. The Bknius 100 mph High Wind Flagpole offers a reliable solution for those who live in areas prone to rough weather. Designed with 12-gauge, 2 mm thick heavy-duty metal, this pole is significantly more robust than thinner 15 or 16-gauge options on the market. Built to withstand winds up to 100 mph, it ensures your flag continues to fly proudly even during storms or heavy rainfall. The rust-resistant and waterproof material extends its lifespan, allowing year-round outdoor use without fear of corrosion. What sets this flagpole apart is the inclusion of a solar-powered light. Equipped with 128 bright LEDs and a 9-inch solar panel, it provides full coverage for your flag throughout the night, ensuring it remains illuminated as a beacon of pride even after sunset. The solar light's waterproof design guarantees reliable operation, even on rainy days, making it a thoughtful addition that enhances both function and visibility. Installation is straightforward, and the kit comes complete for immediate setup. With durability, weather resistance, and nighttime visibility all in one package, the Bknius flagpole is a strong option for homeowners who value both resilience and presentation. It's especially appealing for those who want their patriotic display to shine both day and night. Number 4. IIOPE 20-foot high wind flagpole. The IIOPE 20-foot high wind flagpole is engineered with durability and weather resistance in mind, making it an excellent option for homeowners seeking reliability and strength. Constructed from 12-gauge aluminum, this flagpole is thicker and stronger than many competing 15 or 16-gauge models. Its heavy-duty build allows it to endure wind speeds up to 100 mph, ensuring your flag remains upright and secured during storms or high winds. The base features a wide 2.0-inch bottom tube, which enhances stability when installed in the ground, minimizing wobble and providing a firm foundation. This flagpole doesn't just offer performance, it also comes as a complete package. The kit includes all necessary mounting hardware, a high-quality 5x3 USA flag, and the ability to fly 2 flags at once or adjust a half-staff when desired. Beyond its functional benefits, it also makes a meaningful gift for occasions like Memorial Day, Veterans Day, or Independence Day, allowing you to honor loved ones or service members with a proud display of patriotism. With its superior construction, wind resistance, and thoughtful inclusions, the IIOPE 20-foot high wind flagpole provides long-lasting reliability, making it a great investment for those who want a secure, professional-looking flag display at home.
Number 5. Evertoco T304 Stainless Steel Flagpole. The Evertoco T304 stainless steel flagpole is a durable and versatile choice for residential or commercial flag displays, built to withstand all-weather outdoor conditions. Unlike traditional aluminum poles, this model uses premium 304 stainless steel with an upgraded 0.6 mm thickness, providing excellent strength and corrosion resistance. Designed in 5 easy-to-assemble sections, it features a high-quality black finish that enhances durability while maintaining a sleek appearance. One of its standout features is the adjustable bracket made from stainless steel, which allows the flagpole to be tilted to 12 different angles between 0 to 180 degrees, ensuring your flag is displayed perfectly from any position. To prevent tangling, the included 360-degree rotating aluminum alloy rings let flags wave freely in the wind, ensuring a consistently smooth and dignified appearance. Installation is straightforward, with all necessary hardware included, allowing you to either drill and mount traditionally or use optional straps for versatility. The set is completed with a sturdy plastic ball topper for a finished look. Ideal for porches, yards, houses, or commercial spaces, the Evertoco T304 stainless steel flagpole combines strength, rust resistance, and smart design to deliver a flag display that is both reliable and visually striking, making it a dependable long-term option for proud homeowners. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.